Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. This one is exciting because it is going to provide all the computer equipment for you that you need, and they also give you a monthly internet stipend. So not only do they pay for your internet every single month, and they provide all the computer equipment for you. So all you need is be able to get that internet connected to get started. So this is for anyone, whether you have a home office or not, and they are hiring full-time in the United States. Now, they do want someone to work evenings and weekends. This is not a daytime job. But the company Squaremouth is hiring a remote customer service representative. It says applicants can reside in any of the states in the United States, so they have no state restrictions. And this is inbound customer service, no cold calling or sales calls involved, and everyone can work from home. There is no person or office hours required. Now, they are looking for people to be able to start between August through October of 2022. So it seems like they are hiring quite a few people, and they are looking for customer service representatives to be in charge of handling the entire travel insurance experience, from helping them to navigate the website, understanding the coverage before they purchase, providing emergency assistance during the trip, and assisting with claims after returning home. So you'll handle incoming calls, emails, and chats, and it says the typical call volume is between 30 and 70 calls per day, and that is depending on the hours that you work. Now, they do pay $17 per hour, plus it says they give annual cost of living raises. It says they have competitive pay with daily paid break hour. So you don't have to clock out for lunch. You are paid for that. That is uncommon. Of course, they offer the monthly internet stipend. Their operating hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They're accepting applications right now for evening and weekend hours. Now, they do offer paid training. The only concern with training is because this job is for evening and weekend hours. Training is actually during regular daytime business hours for 2 weeks, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if you can get through those 2 weeks of training, then your position will switch over to the evening and weekend hours. They also have both part-time and full-time positions available. And they are looking for someone who has strong customer service and computer skills, great written and oral communication skills, someone who is great with attention to detail, and someone who has the ability to work independently as a team. Now, right here, it says the equipment that they will provide is a MacBook, a headset, a charger, a second monitor. So they will provide you a full office setup, not just a laptop. Just note that you will need to be able to pass a background check. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.